Today we're going to be working on this e-bike. My brother recently wrecked it and it tore up some of the wiring, which I already fixed most of it. Once I get the voltage meter soldered up and bolted on there, I'll find a place to mount that. So I just got the voltage meter soldered up, and I'm hoping these don't short out or anything, which they shouldn't. They're pretty well insulated. And this is just going to slide on to where all the power connectors basically bolt onto, so it should be pretty simple. Okay, so I got the whole frame put back on, and just to test for shorts, I'm going to be putting a 3 amp fuse in line with that. So if anything bad happens, this will short out really quick, so it doesn't damage anything, because I just want to be safe. Looks like we are good. Voltage meter looks like it's working. 53.5 volts. And that's not full charge, so I need to edit the cell count in there. The controller only supplies around 26 amps. It's supposed to supply around 35, but it's 11 amps off. Going to his parking lot and turn around. I mean, this thing rides pretty good now. Sitting still at 52 volts, but I want to feel the motor really quick and see if it gets warm at all or not. I doubt it does. Yeah, barely warm. It's a good thing, but a sign I'm not really running too much power through it either. I mean, compared to our e-car, that 3-wheeled e-car, has a 2,000 watt motor and it gets super hot, but you know, it's pushing a whole car and you're running 45 amps plus through it, so yeah. That ride's great though.